Hi everyone, welcome to our new video. Today we're going to show you how to pay instant money, or they call it immediate payment. So on Nedbank, so we're using a browser, but it's the same as using an app for you. So I'm going to pay. What I do, I can go to pay. When I click pay, I can say single payment. When I come to single payment, I can put a new person I want to, a new recipient if I want to. But if I have somebody already, I'm gonna click here. Then I look for one person I'm looking for. This is the company I'm paying. It's called SH Exchange. SX Exchange. Yes. Then after that, it will show you the account number here, EFT. So down here, that's where the trick is. You click here and say instant payment. That means it will clear within 30 minutes at a fee. Okay, say okay. So once you do this, it means you agree. Say next. So put in the price I want to send, this much. Okay, that money, which is the one I'm sending. Okay, sending from this account. You can select account you want, but that's the account I'm sending from. Then I'm gonna say it's gonna be in there. I'm gonna say next. After next, it will show this payment and all that. If you want a notification, you can put in the notification, but if you don't want, you just say next. And after doing that, to show you whatever the fee. Okay, approximately it could be 100 rand to 50 rand. Okay, that's gonna be, then I'm gonna say pay. You can see payments are successful, so the person should receive this money within 30 minutes. Okay, then we can do this and say new payment. If you want to record of payment, you can click here, download. You can download that. This is the proof of payment, right? Then we take that. You get me? So this is the thing, the proof of payment. You can send it to a person and tell him, like, look, this is the money I sent from account. This is the account from, it's gonna be personal account, reference number, okay, bank FNB 20 FNB. This is the account number for FNB. This is the amount, which is 50,000. Yeah. Then you can email this, or you can make a screenshot, or you can shoot a picture, then you send it. So down here it says important record, this payment contains personal account information and it is for the account holders use only. Please use the proof of payment option to notify the recipient of the payment. So this means you can go also to another option whereby you can send SMS to notify the user, the person that have paid you this much amount. But since it's immediate payment, you can call him or send him a WhatsApp or email this to him or to them. Say, look, I paid, but the account, the money I paid, it was an immediate payment. Unfortunately, on these, there's no way you can see that it's immediate payment. It doesn't show that. If it could show, it was gonna be good, but now you only have to tell a person that this was done. Record payment, this is whatever. So since I've downloaded that, so what I can do on my website, I think does this. Okay, this is the account. What we call this is the proof of payment. I did download it. Okay, let me do this. I'm gonna go to Okay, then I go to downloads. It should be there. I'm gonna have to. Okay, this is the proof of payment. I wanna delete all of these things which I don't need. Okay, this is the thing. So now we can say, you can rename this, the proof of payment. Okay, it's a immediate. Okay, instant payment. Okay, after that you're gonna double click. Okay, and so it still give us the same thing. Yeah, then now from now you can let me see if I can email this. I'm gonna go to Gmail. Okay, is the email. Let me see if they show me even something in the email. Discount Mr. Price and the other two companies are hiring now. Apply now. Okay, this is something else. I'm gonna go here and I take that, put it there, then I can try to see the S exchange. I can't see that. I wonder which email is he using. I forgot the email, but it's fine. It's fine. But you saw how to do that. Simple. Well guys, please don't forget to subscribe. I hope to see you in the next video, and share this content also. If you have anything to say or some video you want us to work on, please let us know in the comment box below. Yeah, we've done a couple of other videos on for FNB, money transfer, Capitec, cash send, Standard Bank instant payment, Time Bank, Absa Bank, all those money banks, all of the major banks in South Africa. We've done them on a couple of videos. Yeah, thanks for watching guys. Hope to see you in the next video.